Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many Excel users face. The problem in question revolves around conditional formatting in column E, where the goal is to show dates 30 days after a certain event, but to hide the dates from 1900 until that event occurs. Users have tried incorporating blank cells into their formulas, but end up losing the conditional formatting, which can be quite frustrating. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. The key lies in implementing specific formulas in columns E, F, and G. Starting with column E, the formula to use is an if statement that checks whether the home open date cell is empty. If it is, the formula returns an empty string. Otherwise, it adds 30 days to the date in the home open date cell. This clever use of if conditions ensures that the dates are displayed accurately based on the criteria. Moving on to column F, we apply a similar approach. By using the if function once again, we can determine whether the home open date is filled in. If it is, the formula adds 60 days to that date. If not, it returns a blank value. This method ensures that the dates in column F align with the specified timeline of 60 days after the home open date. Continuing with the solution, in column G, we follow the same pattern as columns E and F. The if statement checks if the home open date cell contains a date. If it does, the formula adds 90 days to that date. Otherwise, it displays nothing. This systematic approach guarantees that column G reflects the accurate dates based on the 90-day timeline from the home open date. In summary, by incorporating specific if conditions in columns E, F, and G, you can seamlessly manage the date display in Excel while ensuring that the conditional formatting remains intact. This method allows you to hide the 1900 dates until the home open date is entered, after which the subsequent columns update accordingly. I hope this solution helps you efficiently manage your Excel data. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Excel shortcuts. Thanks for watching.